year recently, and I got a lot of things from there. Some are very interesting, some are useful, and I thought I'll do a teeny tiny haul on it. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. So I got 2 bags full of stuff from there, and I think I went a little overboard, but most of these are things that I actually needed. And I'll also try to find the links of some similar items or the same pieces, because Miniso is also available in Amazon. So if you can't go out right now, अगर आपको इनमें से कोई चीज़ लेनी है or you don't have Miniso where you live, you can still check it out on Amazon. I'll also try कि थोड़े से links मैं आपको description में दे दूँ. So yes, now let's start with this one first, because इसमें there are less items. And let's start with the first piece, which is just sticking out, which is a pan. Now Miniso literally has anything and everything under the sun, which is the best part about it. So I got this really cute ceramic non-stick kind of pan from there. Just look at the color of it. Its aesthetic कितना cute है, and I think this can work really well as a display piece for your kitchen as well. So you can keep it out. आपके kitchen को बहुत cute सा look देगा, and I think कि अच्छा भी रहेगा, useful भी रहेगा. Okay, I got this छोटू सा rug or mat kind of for my washroom, and this is such a softy. I got it in grey color because if you have seen मेरे room के सब vlogs वगैरह में, I have very mauve, white, grey इस type का aesthetic to my room. This one was also available in a very pretty mint color. मुझे वो color बहुत पसंद आया था, but then I thought that won't go with the vibe of the room, so I got it in a very neutral grey, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा soft है, like I wish you could touch it. Next I have got 2 storage boxes. First one is a set of 2 drawers, and ये तो मैंने Amazon में देखा था. I planned to get it from Amazon, but then I went to Miniso और मैंने वहीं से ले लिया. So you are resting on top of 2 boxes. So let's do this quickly. I thought कि we'll build these storage boxes together. So first ये जो 2 drawer वाला storage box है, let's start with this one. And let me see कि ये बनेगा कैसे. So this is the main body of it, and I just read it इस पर. I have to zip this thing here, and ये sturdy हो गया. And now I have to take these drawers. I think इसके base पे ये लगेगा. Oh, 1 drawer down. I have to just keep it in here. Please don't mind the mess in the background. This is where you were sitting right now, and I thought I'll give you a close up of it. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है. These are the drawers, and the drawers are pretty big actually, and I think I'll keep all my everyday makeup in it. Secondly is this like really cute storage box with a lid. So this is what it looks like. इसका कलर्स काफ़ी अच्छा है, and I think ये भी सिंपल सा ही होगा hopefully. Oh, अच्छा, it's so very easy. तो ये बॉक्स है, and इसके अंदर I just have to I think put this here bottom पे, and we are done. The box is here, and इसमें साइड में holders भी हैं, and I think it's a good like a pretty decent size, maybe to keep your socks and stuff like that. आप वो सब डाल के इसको अपने कबर्ड में रख सकते हो. You can keep it in some drawer या फिर कोई cubicle में रख सकते हो. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty nice and काफ़ी अच्छा decent sizing है इसका. Now don't mind my chappals. Moving on to the second bag. This one has all the fun stuff in it. I'll just randomly take out things from it. So first I got socks from Miniso. Guys, if you're looking for some colorful socks, I'll definitely recommend you to check out Miniso. Like just look at these colors. ये neon yellow, ये teal type का color, this pink one, and these are just for 190 rupees. Let's see if this camera focuses. Yes, see 190. And काफ़ी अच्छा purchase है, and the quality is very soft. Sizing भी बहुत अच्छी, like not too short, not too long, and I like to wear such socks for basically going to gym. So this is a set of 3. It's got lavender. You know how obsessed I am with lavender, and I'm pretty sure सिर्फ इस कलर के लिए ही मैंने पूरा सेट लिया होगा. And इसमें पिंक वाला भी बहुत pretty है. The peach one looks really good as well. So this is a very good set. Now I got this for I think 200 rupees. Yes, you can see, and I think this is a good purchase for 200, and इसका quality भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Like these are very soft. Now if I go to Miniso, there is no way I am not buying perfumes from there. I am obsessed with their perfumes, their packaging, their scents, everything is amazing. Now I'm not gonna lie कि वो थोड़ा hit and miss होता है on the long lasting part. So I've got one perfume from there which lasts like for hours and even for days actually if you put it on. But then there is one जो कि बहुत जल्दी like 1-2 घंटे में it just disappears. So वो थोड़ा सा hit and miss वाला scene होता है. I'm not sure about these ones since I got them recently. I've not even used them. The one that I got for myself, wait, let me show you. This is what it looks like. It is in the fragrance or in the variant Forest Breeze. And first of all, इसकी packaging इतनी ज़्यादा cute थी ना. So this is what it looks like. Like look at the beautiful packaging. And इस type के packaging का मेरे पास एक भी perfume नहीं है. So it will really look good with my collection. And I think it's a very aesthetically pleasing piece. So this one smells very different and it's a very light fragrance. It smells so good. It's very fresh and it literally will remind you of a forest. And ये मुझे काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. So I got this, like very different from what I usually get. One that my mom got for herself. ये भी इतनी प्यारे से green packaging में है. This one is, it's the variant green. Like it's written literally just green here. Even this one is a very soft and very light fragrance. This one also smells really good. Like it's in a transparent bottle but they have got hints of green in the form of these palm leaves. ये leaves कितनी cute लग रहे हैं. I really like this kind of palm. And ये इसका bottle is a glass bottle. Again I'm sure even this one is for 460 rupees because that is, as I said before, general pricing है Miniso perfume के. And this smells really good. Next I got a body mist from them and this one is in the fragrance Joyful Dance. And इसका smell also is very good. This one is more on the fruity side. It reminds me of lychee, apricot. उस type की smell लगती है मुझे इसकी. And this one is very inexpensive. It's just for 260 rupees. So I think you can try it out because it's very cheap. Now next I got something which I always get from Miniso, which is something that you may find a little weird. Is their toothpaste. So this is the packaging and this is the most aesthetically pleasing toothpaste I've ever used. And it's in the whitening variant, you can see, and charcoal teeth whitening hai. It brightens your teeth and everything. I've not started using it as of now. I got a very useful thing for myself. I was meaning to order this from Amazon for so long but मैं हर बार भूल जा रही थी. So I found this on Miniso and I thought I should get it. So if you remember, I got a new phone for myself recently. मैंने iPhone 11 लिया है and Apple का जो charging connector होता है, it is very different. वो किसी भी और phones में वो होता नहीं है. So I needed a USB to that जो lightning connector है उसका एक converter चाहिए था to transfer all the data to my laptop and everything. So I got this in the prettiest color and that's what I really like about Miniso. उसमें colorful सी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी मिल जाती हैं. And this one is the iPhone वाला side. This is the USB side and it comes with a silicone belt kind of to just इस लीड को ऐसे तुम just you can put it on like this so it doesn't get tangled or anything. So I really like that. इसके बाद another thing that I'm very excited about is this hairband. Now I again wanted to buy this. मैंने ये Amazon में अपनी cart पे भी रखा हुआ था. I was just going to order it, but then I went to Miniso and I got it from there. So it's in white color and it has got yellow and grey polka dots all over it. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute है. Like look at this bow at the front. And ये बहुत soft है. Like it's in a very soft towel kind of material. And yes, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Next I got a triangle organizer. This one actually is like this corner organizer जिसमें suction cups हैं, so I don't have to drill it or something to my place. So this is what the organizer looks like. As I said, it's for a corner space and यहाँ पे दो suction cups हैं. Don't know इसको लगाना कैसे है. I'll try it out later. So I've placed it here in the corner of my washroom as you can see and यहाँ पर इसके suction cups हैं दोनों. And अभी तो मैंने ये लगा दिया है. Now I'll let it rest for a few hours and उसके बाद ही मैं इसके अंदर सामान रखूँगी because it just needs to be fixed here यहाँ पे अच्छे से. And yes, this is the corner. इसका size is decent, मतलब कुछ चीज़ें आ जाएंगी. It can hold up to 3 kg इसमें लिखा हुआ था. And it's good कि इसमें यहाँ पे holes है ताकि कभी अगर पानी वगैरह गिर जाए या products में पानी हो तो वो नीचे से निकल सकता है. Next is this solid air freshener and I know it looks like a candle but it's not. It's basically like this thing जहाँ पे इसमें foil है, you just remove it and इसको आप ऐसे ढक के रख दो and यहाँ से you'll get continuously there'll be scent diffusing through this. So this one is again for 140 rupees and it is in the variant Botanic Garden. इसका smell like it's mainly for keeping it in your washroom और stuff like that. तो मैंने भी उसी के लिए मंगाया है. Smell is like okay, decent smell है, तो कुछ बहुत amazing नहीं है. But I think 140 में it's a good purchase. And now finally the last 3 pieces of this video. चलो ठीक है, पहले मैं ये दिखाती हूँ. This is a hand sanitizer holder, basically to keep it in your purse or something, बाहर से लगाने के लिए. So I got this and मैं जो sanitizer लाई हूँ, it's in the variant lemon. So this would look like such a very useful piece, I would say, and cute at the same time. And this one is for 100 rupees. Oh, it was for 100 rupees. I think it's pricey for 100 rupees. Well, ठीक है. I got this, and now the final 2 pieces are 2 makeup related items. I usually don't get makeup from them. I don't trust them much, like their makeup wise. मैं normally उनका perfumes और इस type की knickknacks type की चीजें ज़्यादा खरीदती हूँ. But this time I saw this kajal liner kind of, and I tried its tester, and इसका जो pigmentation था, it just blew my mind. इतना amazing pigmentation था. So I got it in the brown color. This one was available I think in black, brown and blue. And now the final one is this makeup sponge. I have tried their makeup sponge before. इनके makeup sponge भी काफी अच्छे होते हैं. So I saw this purple lavender one and ये काफी cute लगा मुझे. Also इसका जो style, like इसका जो shape है, ये बहुत different लगा मुझे. Which is the reason I got it. It's like in this teardrop, not even teardrop actually, उससे भी flat, like dumpling kind of shape I would say. And just look at it, so cute. Now again I have not tried this yet, so not sure कि कितना अच्छा quality है इसका या नहीं है, but दिखने में बहुत cute and color भी काफी अच्छा है. So इसका जो ये surface area है, it's pretty big, so I think this can only be used for foundation and काफी सही रहेगा for foundation. And yes, ये dumpling type of shape मुझे बहुत cute लग रहा है. And the color, it's in lavender color, so that's the best. I think I forgot to tell you the price of the blender. This for 200 rupees, and if it works fine, then 200 में तो बहुत सही रहेगा because it's pretty inexpensive. And yes, I think that's it. काफी लंबा वीडियो हो गया, काफी सारी चीजें ली थी मैंने. But with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So now let's do a question of the day. So tell me in the comments, where are you from? I would love to know कि आप कौन सी जगह से हो, आप कहाँ रहते हो. So please tell me in the comments, where are you from? And yes, please वीडियो पसंद आए तो like करना, comment करना, subscribe करना. The engagement really helps with the growth of the channel. तो आप जितना like comment करोगे उतना ज़्यादा YouTube हमारी वीडियोस को recommend करेगा. So please do that. Comment जरूर छोड़ना and subscribe करने के लिए click on this red button and then please press on the bell sign as well, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And this is my Instagram handle. You can follow me there if you want to. And now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye. Subscribe करना मत भूलना. Bye.